Once upon a time, there was a kid named Nick. He was at the party just staring at the sky and thinking, why I'm not floating into space? Why is nothing floating into space? So Nick went to school the next day and asked his teacher, Ms. Johnson, why do we stay on Earth and not float into space? Ms. Johnson explained to him that gravity makes objects fall. Without gravity, everything will float away. Gravity also keeps the Earth near the sun. Oh my, that's a fat jetpack. Mm-hmm. I wonder how fast it's moving, says Jill. Sam looks over at Jill and says, well, it started at 0 meters per second and went to 35 meters per second in 5 seconds. And the equation for acceleration is velocity final minus velocity initial divided by time. So just plug everything in and you'll get... Jill finished his sentence for him and said, 7 meters per second squared. Sam looked at Jill surprisingly and said, that sounds about right. Wow, that car is going fast. I wonder if I could figure out exactly how fast it's going, said Courtney. Her father said, you actually can. The equation for velocity is distance divided by time. So since the car is traveling 100 meters in 2 seconds, the car is going 50 meters per second? Courtney asked. Yes, that's correct, her father said happily. Tom went jogging through a maze and started at 10 meters and stopped at the end of the maze, which is 60 meters. At the end of the maze, Tom was thinking, how far did I jog from where I started? Tom's friend Curtis said, the only way you could do that is to plug into the equation. Displacement equals final position minus initial position. We learned this in Miss Kingler class, Tom said. You're right, we did. So I ran 50 meters.